welcome back to TechSpace, guys. In this video, I want to go over the Eberry microphone. This is going to be one of the first product reviews that I do. Again, if you've seen in one of my other videos, I said I need new peripherals, I need new things for my setup. And actually, I'm going to move this camera real quick, so just give me 1 second. So what's up, guys? In this video, again, I'm going over the Eberry plug-and-play microphone that you can buy. And as you can see, the first thing that you notice is it's just very small and dinky. So does it really work? And I'm going to show you guys again how well that works at the end of this video. But again, I'm just going to give you my thoughts on it. So the first thing I thought when I took it out of the package was obviously that it's so small. I mean, if you compare it to the size of an iPhone, you can see it's about the same size, and it isn't going to, I think, suit all of your needs. So one, there's no boom on it, so it doesn't have anything to get that background noise, and that is one downfall of this microphone. Again, it is a USB mic, which is the second downfall, but three, the third thing that you're going to notice about this microphone is that this grip on the bottom sucks. This cord is really short, so when you're plugging it up, when you're moving it around, you're not going to have the flexibility of, maybe another headset or earbuds that you can get that, maybe are the same price. So this was, again, a good try for Eberry to try to make a microphone that worked pretty decently. I don't know if they have a higher end microphone. I'll go ahead and grab that one if they do, just to do the review on it. Again, this is a microphone that works, so if you're going to, start making YouTube videos or doing something simple, I would suggest it. But other than that, it's really not that good. And if you're not a beginner, it's nothing you're going to be interested in. So I've had this mic for a while. It's nothing I really use. It's just something, again, I might have on my desk just to maybe have it look a little bit better. I might use it, if I don't have my other microphone for whatever reason, but I don't use it daily, and it isn't a microphone that I would use daily. If I was, I am a YouTuber, but if I'm new, I'm suggesting that you just go ahead and get a different microphone, take this microphone, throw it out the window if you have bought it, and just go work on buying one that has an actual boom on it, which is, again, that fuzzy piece or the plastic piece with all the holes in it that will stop all of the static noise in the background. This doesn't do any of that justice at all, and being $7, I mean, it's cool, but again, it's not even worth $7 because you can get a $2, $3 earbud microphones that work better than this thing, trust me. So that was the review for the Eberry microphone. I'll have more reviews coming, so just be sure to subscribe, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys next time.